Variable rates are rates that can fluctuate, that can change. However, historically, they have been a bit cheaper than fixed rates. On the other hand, you have fixed rates that would offer the consumer a certain certainty in terms of, the interest that they're paying for the duration of their loan with the payments that they have. This is definitely a pivotal time for borrowers who have used or leveraged variable rates. It is a time where where we are in a rising interest rate environment, and it's always good to have a pulse check basically and have a mortgage review with your bank, just to review where you are and assess your options. Switching to a fixed rate would give you a certain peace of mind for sure, because you know that you have a specific interest rate for the duration of the term, or basically the period where you're taking on that contract as per se with your bank. And at the same time, you know what your payments are, so you are not subjected to any fluctuation or any surprise in terms of seeing your payments increasing during the duration of your loan. There are pros and cons about both fixed interest and variable rates. That being said, if you are on a variable rates right now, you have to say that it is a bit cheaper than fixed rates. Even though, as I said earlier, there's a narrow spread between both. The other thing is that, let's say, and it all depends on the position where you are. It depends on your plans for the short term. If you're planning on selling your house and you're planning on purchasing a new property, if you want to get out of your mortgage and break your mortgage, definitely the penalties are a bit cheaper on variable mortgages versus fixed interest mortgages. I believe that Canadian consumers are still in the driver's seat when it comes to borrowing options. When they're borrowing for a mortgage between fixed and variable, the most important thing that they will have to assess is where they are, where they stand in terms of life stage, in terms of income, in terms of debts, and make that decision, that educated decision based on the situation. And definitely your banker will be able to help you assess and make the right decision.